everything in the world were connected. Smaller, faster, and more power-efficient computer chips can go just about anywhere, allowing us to connect, track, collect data, understand, and interact. This microchip is a fully functioning computer about the size of a large ant. You could easily swallow it. Exponentially smaller, faster, and cheaper computing is creating an abundance of opportunities that are coming at us faster and faster. With the costs of computing dropping, disruption could come from smaller companies and individuals who didn't even have access to computing power or the internet just 5 or 10 years ago.
If something is analog, how long do you think it will take to become digital? And how will that affect your life or your business?
If you haven't seen this coming, consider the automobile. The first electronic processors were put into automobiles in the late 1960s, primarily to help increase fuel efficiency to meet new standards. Today, most systems in your car are controlled or assisted by over 50 processors, though you might not even notice their influence on your driving. Tesla's current autopilot feature is the most advanced assisted driving system on the road. It'll take control and drive your car. In one case, it helped a driver get safely to the hospital 20 miles away after he'd suffered a heart attack while on the highway. And the autopilot system is self-learning. In essence, the entire Tesla fleet is one large deep learning system. Fully autonomous cars will be showing up at your local dealer in the near future, although it may be a bit longer before you can afford one. With fleets of driverless taxis coming online, will you ever need to buy a car again? More and more objects in our lives will be acting more and more like computers. Something like, say, a table might not be just a table anymore. Imagine using the tabletop at your favorite restaurant to order and customize your pizza next time you go out to eat. The table might even remember you and your favorite toppings, or it might make suggestions based on the weather. Buildings will be intelligently powered by software embedded into the core of their design, upgrading themselves via regular software updates. The average American home had 10 active connected devices in 2016, and 19 devices for homes of 4 or more. Even something as complex as a sports arena will have a large digital component, like the Sacramento Kings Golden One Center. Even the clothes you wear are going to change. Google's Project Jacquard is weaving touch and gesture interactivity into fabric using new conductive yarns. Magic, answering your phone with a tap on your sleeve. What if your sweater was a touchscreen? Your shirts monitor your health by analyzing sweat. Your jacket acts as an electronic wallet.
New sensing technologies are making it possible to interact with the world in whole new ways.
Flexible microchips are now possible. They're being designed into wearable skin patches that can electronically monitor your heart, brain, or muscle activity. My UV patch is stretchable and has electronic layers as thin as 5 microns. It monitors sun exposure. Stick it to your skin and it communicates with a smartphone app. After 5 days, simply throw it away. It's commercially available from L'Oreal, and it represents the convergence with cutting-edge consumer electronics. Microchips are now implantable. Researchers at Ohio State restored motor control to a paralyzed man's arm by inserting a microchip in his brain that communicates with a wearable high-tech sleeve. You can even have a chip implanted in your hand. Imagine using it to unlock your home and never needing the key to your front door again. Microchips and sensors are turning everyday objects into internet-enabled sources of data, an Internet of Things. Imagine a world where your gym equipment keeps a record of your workouts, helping you reach your fitness goals, even keeping your doctor informed of your progress. With sensors in your garbage cans, it's possible for your trash to be collected more efficiently by calling for pickup only when necessary. Airline flights are running more efficiently as a result of self-monitoring engine sensors and wireless diagnostics. On-time arrivals are up because last-minute repairs are down. Business inventory is more accurately monitored with sensors. Even your local microbrewery can monitor the volume and freshness of beer inside a keg. And sensors are being used to monitor and predict the next eruption of the Masaya volcano in Nicaragua.
The great thing about the internet is that it's already connected every desktop, laptop, smartphone, and person on the planet. We've already also done off the planet with the International Space Station, and ultimately, maybe we'll one day connect with Mars.
Add to that another 5 billion people coming online in the next 5 years. This convergence brings with it privacy and security issues. It's bad enough when your email is hacked, but what about when your car is hacked while you're on the freeway? Every device that comes online is potentially vulnerable to attack. Within 5 years, there will be between 20 to 30 billion devices connected. That's 2 to 3 devices for every human on Earth. In our cars, our homes, our clothes, our pets, even inside our own bodies. Is there anything that won't become smart by embedding it with a microchip?